Kid-Friendly TV. Hey guys, it's Whitney from Kid-Friendly TV, and today we're playing with a new line from Play-Doh called Play-Doh Town. This is the pet store playset, and it looks really cool. We can make all sorts of awesome animals like kitty cats and puppies. I'm really excited. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box so we can play with it. Look, it's the pet store. We get pink, orange, this aqua green color, and we get purple. It's a bird cage. That's awesome. And on the bottom of the bird cage, it has a Play-Doh mold so we can make a bird. Look at this really cute basket it comes with. Another part for the pet store, and it looks like it has paw prints on it. We could roll this on Play-Doh and make some paw prints. Another piece for the pet store. We can make money and some other awesome things for our pets. It also comes with this, so we can make a hamster. Look, it's a cash register. That's really cool. It's also a Play-Doh extruder. And look, it's the pet shop owner. Check out the pet store owner. She's really cute. She's wearing this little red pink dress with a rabbit on it. She also has a hat on. And what's really awesome about the Play-Doh Town characters is that you can remove their hats and helmets so you can make some awesome hair for them. It's really cool. On the bottom of her hat, she has a mold so we can make a bone for our dogs. And look at her little shoes. They're really cute too. You can move her head from side to side. And you can also move her arms. It comes with a rabbit. That's awesome. Another Play-Doh mold, and this is so we can make fish. And here's another part for our pet store. And underneath here we have more molds so we can make some kitty cats and puppies. We can even make glasses. And look inside the instructions. It also has some awesome stickers we can decorate the pet store with. First, we need to make our pet store. Let's make some hair for our pet store owner. Whoa, look at the pet store owner's hair. It's pink and purple. And look at this. If we put Play-Doh underneath her shoe and push it up, look what happens. That's really cool. We need some animals for our pet store. Whoa, it's a rabbit. That is awesome. The rabbit needs a friend. Let's see. Let's make another animal. Oh my goodness. It's a mouse. Let's make a bird for our bird cage. Wow, check out the bird we just made. That is awesome. Let's put the bird in the bird cage. That looks really cool. Check out the puppy we just made. He's so cute. Whoa! Look at this kitty cat. Meow! Meow! Let's give the kitty cat some eyes. It's a cute kitty cat. Let's make some ears for our rabbit. Whoa! Look at the ears. That is crazy. It is so cute. Let's make a hamster. And look, the hamster's in his cage. That is so cool. The Play-Doh Town pet store is really cool and so much fun to play with. It's really awesome that you can make so many different animals, and I really enjoyed making the pet store owner's hair. It's really cool. I hope you enjoyed this video on the new line from Play-Doh called Play-Doh Town. And please don't forget to subscribe to Kid Friendly TV for more daily fun toy videos. Hey guys, it's Whitney from Kid Friendly TV, and today we're playing with the new line from Play-Doh called Play-Doh Town. This playset is called Fire Truck, and it looks really awesome. It comes with this cool fire truck and all sorts of Play-Doh and Play-Doh molds and all sorts of cool stuff. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like.